Above the horizon, where the sky meets ambition, lies a story of precision, trust, and innovation. It's a world where the smallest details make the biggest difference, where a single bolt carries the weight of a dream, and where safety begins long before the fast engine roars to life. This is the story of traceability, the invincible backbone of aerospace excellence. In aerospace, perfection isn't optional, it's essential. Traceability begins in the earliest stages of design, when blueprints are more than drawings, they're blueprints for accountability. Every line, every dimension is linked to a database, mapping out materials, suppliers, and compliance standards. Before a single screw is turned, traceability ensures that every element meets the rigorous demands of air travel. Think about a single bolt. Its journey begins with raw materials, metals extracted, refined, and tested for strength. Traceability ensures that this bolt's origin is documented, its composition verified, and its quality certified. From the smelter to the supplier, every step is recorded in detail, creating a digital fingerprint that guarantees it meets exacting standards. When that bolt is finally installed, it's not just another piece of metal, it's a promise. A promise that it can withstand extreme temperatures, turbulence, and pressure. Traceability ensures that this promise is backed by data, proof of its compliance with international safety standards, the conditions under which it was manufactured, and the inspections it underwent before reaching its final destination. But traceability doesn't stop at the parts themselves. In the digital age, it extends to systems bringing together the thousands of components that form the modern aircraft. Digital twins, powered by traceability, allows engineers to stimulate performance, predict wear and tear, and optimize maintenance schedules. It's like having a crystal ball for safety, ensuring that every rivet, cable, and panel performs as expected. Even in the skies, traceability is hard at work. Sensors on board continuously relay data back to ground teams, tracking performance in real time. If an anomaly is detected, traceability enables technicians to pinpoint its source, whether it's a hydraulic valve installed 2 years ago or a software update made last month. This ability to trace every action, every part, and every event keeps aircrafts flying safely and efficiently. Above the horizon, trust is everything. Passengers don't see the countless hours of design, testing, and validation that go into every flight, but they feel it. They feel it in the smoothness of the journey, the reliability of the systems, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing that every detail has been accounted for. Traceability is more than a tool. It's a philosophy. It's a belief that excellence is built one part at a time, with care, precision, and integrity. It's a bridge between innovation and accountability, transforming complex systems into harmonious works of art that connect the world. In aerospace, every journey begins with trust, and trust begins with traceability. It's a thread that weaves safety into every bolt, confidence into every wing, and wonder into every takeoff. Above the horizon, we don't just chase the sky, we redefine it. Because when we build with traceability, we build for the stars.